everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to add photos on Tinder. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up a Tinder application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Tinder application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll be able to see various options over here. So if you want to add the photo, what you have to do is tap on this option, edit profile, that you can see right below your name. Now you'll be led to the edit profile interface. You'll be able to find the option for media over here. You'll be able to see all the photos that you've added. Also, you'll be able to see the empty slot. So what you have to do is simply tap on the any of the empty slot. Now you'll be able to find two options over here, photo selector, upload from library. You can use the AI to find photos for your profile quickly by using the photo selector. But if you want to choose the photos or videos from the library, simply tap on this option, upload from library. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to upload the photos from library. Simply tap on the photo that you want to upload. After doing that, what you have to do is tap on the next option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here the new photo will be added over here. So like this, you'll be able to add the photo on Tinder. So that is how you add photo on Tinder. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.